Hi everyone! So niyata karon sa Everyday Coffee and Tea located beside sa KKD sa SRP. So karon guys, kuyugi ko ninyo nasa libag. Actually last year pa ni silang nag-open but nasa libag ong gi-launch sa ilahang coffee shop. Nasa libag ong gipuno. So atong tan-awon sa sud uban ko ninyo. Let's go!
Everyday Coffee and Tea is located ragid atbang sa Yale Hardware Corporation nga namahimutang diri sa Plaza Independencia ug boyon ra sad gid ni siya sa Malacañang sa Suban. As you can see, pagsulto nato sa Everyday Coffee and Tea, grabe na gid kayo ang place guys because aside from it has high ceilings, grabe ka spacious, and if you are a coffee lover and at the same time hilig og post-post, hilig og pictures, I highly recommend this place because it's very Instagrammable guys. Grabe gid kaayo. And if you are into arts, nasa sila gipang display ng mga paintings sa ilahang walls, guys.
Every kanus mo mag-open like
We open po from 8 a.m. po until 12 midnight.
yes. So, ano yung mga best seller po sa inyong coffee din para at least makaibaw nga ang mga viewers.
For ice coffee po, best seller po is white mocha, caramel, Spanish, and cafe latte. And for the hot naman po is cafe latte, espresso, flat white, and Spanish.
Oh,
We also
okay.
have blended po, best seller is
Also, do not worry because if you are not a coffee lover, they also have a refreshers, guys. Also, they have frozen yogurt and gelato. And as you can see, it's not that pricey and it's not that barato po. Sakto lang. And of course, nasa sila yung sandwich and bread. So, naadi akong favorite na cinnamon roll and also the croissants. And aside from, they offer different delicious food here in Everyday Coffee and Tea. Gusto sa ko i-acknowledge, of course, ang staffs nila nga grabe ka-accommodating and grabe ka-welcoming sa ilahang mga customers. So, giserve ng atong food and I can't wait to try it. So, let's eat, guys!
Visit good ilahang. You should try guys. Mga if ganahan mo mag-meal, nasa rice meal, if ganahan mo mag-pasta, mag-snacks lang, nasa salaan na. And, sorry. Nasa like coffee, nasa like non-coffee, if allergy mo coffee. And also they have massage. They offer massage as well. So, pwede rin good kaayo. Busog pa mo, at the same time, relax mo ikahuman.
And because sumana matagkaon guys, atong gi-visit ang ilahang restroom nga grabe na-amaze kid ko kay aside from it's very clean, ako sang mura kog na-attract sa ilahang gipangdapat bitaw dinhi sa ilahang walling guys, kana siya gatuhog bato gina pero paghikap nako, no it's not. Ma-amaze gud kaayo ka sa ilahang sud sa restroom guys. Pwede ka mag-selfie. Ako hilig mo jud kog selfie sa CR, so nag-selfie sad ko dito pero wala na akong i-appeal kay pati mga tag nawam ta ka kuan sa tumbok. And then aside from that, nasa sila pa picture diri nga lain nga mura kag incubate dinhi ka ng kuwag buwan bitaw ka ng matay tukon og utok. Pwede ra kay mo isud dinhi para ma-incubate mo. Charot lang. Picture. Oy, of course, i-upload din sa Insta sa di ay. Kidding aside guys, if you want to know more about their services and their food, you can actually visit their store or you can actually visit their page if you want to know more about their prices. So, I will drop their page na lang guys para inyo makita. So, that's all for today. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye. Love you.